In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a very simple strategy how you can do 1 minute scalp trading over on Bybit. Now, I've had a lot of requests for this video as well as many other trading videos. So if you do like this kind of video, definitely drop a like down below and I'll be sure to make even more of them. So as you know, scalp trading can be very, very difficult for a lot of people. Of course, it's one of the most intense trading strategies that there is. You get in and you get out very, very quickly. With the possibility on Bybit to make a lot of money with leverage, there also comes the possibility to lose money as well. And that's really what I want to focus on today's video, how to make the maximum amount of profit without having to risk your capital. And I think a lot of people don't talk enough about this. So without any further ado, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. As always, I do really appreciate you watching my videos. If you do enjoy this content, drop a like down below and let's get on with the video. So scalp trading, what is it? How can we do it? And what are the benefits and drawbacks of it? First of all, scalp trading, as I said in the intro, you're getting in and out very, very quick, usually on a 1 minute or the 5 minute time frame. Today's video, I'm going to be focusing on the 1 minute time frame and we're going to take a look at a very, very easy beginner friendly strategy. So if you are a beginner, you don't know how to trade, I will have tutorials linked down below in the video if you want further trading tutorials and guides and step-by-step. So check out the description down below. So first of all, it's very, very vital when we are scalp trading to have a strategy in place. The markets move quick. Scalp trading is a very quick method of trading. If you're not in and out with the right strategy, you can be left behind without any profits. So it's very important that we stick to these guidelines and we implement them without emotion. Emotion can be a very, very detrimental thing when it comes to trading. So on this video, I'm going to be trading over on Bybit, as I said in the video title. Now, if you haven't already got yourself a Bybit account, all you have to do is go down below today's video and simply click on this link right here. And if you go ahead and make an account using that link, you go ahead and complete the KYC, which is very, very easy. You can then go ahead and start trading and get a deposit and trading bonus of up to $30,000. That's why I like Bybit the most. I've been trading on them for 5 years now. It's, in my opinion, one of the best trading exchanges if you do want to use leverage to multiply your capital. So go ahead and click the link down below and join Bybit right now. I'll also leave a lot of tutorial links down there as well. So let's go over to derivatives. Let's go to USDT perpetual and let's go over here and find Solana. So in this video, I am going to be trading Solana. Let's just click Bitcoin right here and we can just easily find Solana from there. Solana is right there. And we can see in this video, I am going to be trading Solana. Now, first of all, I want to start by saying, yes, you can go ahead and make trades on Bybit like this using this chart. It is using TradingView, it is integrated. However, in my opinion, it's a lot easier just to have TradingView opened in a separate tab rather than using Bybit's TradingView integration. It's just a lot easier in my opinion. So how are we going to use this strategy? So first of all, let's go ahead and get ourselves over to Solana. So we just type Solana over here. We want to go ahead and find this right there. We've selected Solana USDT. We want to click this arrow and we want to go to the 1 minute time frame. Now the 1 minute time frame is very, very crazy, to be honest. If you're not used to trading before, it can be a little bit daunting. However, I'm going to explain exactly how to do it in this video. So first of all, we're going to use a few indicators. If you type SMA, this is a simple moving average. We're going to get that up on the chart right there. We're also going to get MACD up on the chart as well. Everybody loves a bit of the MACD. And then we're going to get the RSI on the chart as well. This is a very, very beginner friendly scalping strategy guide. If you want to see a more depth, more detailed one, then of course I will have that for you on the channel if you are interested. So now we've got the indicators on the screen. We want to edit them because the standard way they are, especially for this smooth moving average, definitely isn't great. So go over here, click the settings icon, and we want to change the input length to 200. Very simple. Go over to style. I like to select yellow because it pops and stands out on the chart, and make it just a little bit thicker, which of course is always nice. So now we have the basic setup for the trade. You might be thinking, what on earth is going on here? Now, maybe it looks confusing, but honestly, it's super simple. I'm going to explain that to you in just 30 seconds. So what we want to do, the premise of the video and the strategy, is we open longs and shorts. Of course, you know how to open a long and a short. What we want to do is, if the price action, the candlesticks are above this line, we want to open a short. If they are below this line, we want to open a long. Now, you might be asking, how do I know where to open and close the trades? Well, as of right now, the chart looks a little bit janky in my opinion. There's lots of red and green. So we want to come over here to the candlestick section, go right there, click on the bar style, and we want to get Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. Once we've done that, we can see how much smoother the chart is looking. We can easily identify the trends and which direction the market's going in. And overall, it's just a lot easier. So now we've gone ahead and done that. We want to talk about the strategy. So as I said before, we want to enter a long position when we are below the 200 moving average right there, and a short position when we are above. First of all, we want to take a look at the MACD. We want to be entering when we are having a MACD cross. But before that, we want to see when the RSI down here is below the oversold territory. So we can see there's two bands right here. There is 30 right there. Below 30 is oversold, and above 70 right here is overbought. So if it's oversold, most likely the price is going to change momentum and flip back to the upside and push towards the overbought side. The ideal scenario right here we are looking for is the RSI to be below 30 in the oversold section. We want a cross on the MACD line, the blue crossing above the orange line, which is bullish. And we want the price to be below the 200 moving average right there. Like so, we want it to be below. So in this example, we have a perfect example right here. We have the RSI is below right there. We can see it's below the 30. We have a MACD cross right there, and the price is below this 200 moving average. All very, very simple. It's not a difficult strategy, guys, and I really want you to pay attention to this. So how are we going to go ahead and do this? So in this position, we want to enter a long position. So I'm going to set the entry point exactly at the cross, which is right here. We then want to set our take profit at 0.5 and our stop loss at 0.2. So we can see take profit at 0.5 right here. And our stop loss, if we can just change the chart a little bit, our stop loss will be at 0.2. So we put 0.2 right there. And you may think this is a crazy small amount of profit or stop loss. Well, it doesn't matter because it's scalping. You can enter 100 of these trades in a day if you want. I wouldn't personally do that because you should only be entering a few trades per day because your mind can get a little bit emotional when it comes to trading. So we can see right there, if we would have entered right there on the cross, oversold MACD, oversold RSI, the cross on the MACD, and we can enter right there and push towards the upside. This is fairly easy in my opinion. So if you did want to go ahead and make that setup over on Bybit, or if you wanted to go ahead and trade, all the links will be down below. All you have to do is go ahead and click this link right here. Name, email, make yourself an account, complete the KYC stuff. It's very simple and very easy. You'll be up and trading in less than 10-20 minutes, and you can go ahead and get your bonus of up to $30,000. If you didn't want to use TradingView, you can also use Bybit right here. You just simply type in SMA, smooth moving average. You pull it up on the screen right there. You simply select the style like so. You can do it exactly the same as on TradingView 200. However, it just isn't as easy to use in my opinion. Sometimes I like to have it up on both, simply because if I want to go ahead and enter a trade, it's nice to flick back from here like so. Flick back on here and see if it's the correct parameters. Again, you might have different charts on TradingView depending on what chart you enter compared to Bybit. However, it's a fairly easy thing to do. I want to pull up this chart right here because I've laid out 3 different examples in the space of literally just an hour or so. So you can enter multiple trades a day if you did want to do so. So although it is small amounts of profit, it may be 0.5 profit here, 0.5 profit there, 0.5 profit there. If you were in fact using leverage, this 0.5 could turn into 10% or 5% profit depending on what leverage you are using. So quickly, just want to show you an example right here of how you would enter a trade over on Bybit. So first of all, you have to have a deposit in the account, so deposit some crypto, and then you want to go over to derivatives right there and USDT perpetual. Click on Bitcoin as I said in the start, and then in this example I'll change it to Solana, but this will work on any different case. So we can see right here, just an example. I'll go over a quick demo trade. We are above the 200 moving average right there. The RSI is not in the overbought position. Ideally, I would like it to be above here. That will be much better. And we can see right there, the MACD has not crossed yet, and it's still looking reasonably bullish. So what I would do if I loaded the chart up in this position, I would simply just be waiting. Of course, sometimes when you're trading, you have to wait for the trade to come to you. You can't just open the chart and immediately enter a trade, because that is how you're going to get wrecked. So ideally, we want the RSI to be coming up here at least. It doesn't have to be above the oversold. If you're getting a bit impatient, it can just be near. So I would say at least above 65, but as near to the oversold position as possible. And the MACD, ideally, you do want across. We can see this MACD is in fact growing in strength, or yeah, it is growing in strength. So you want to wait for this to be tailing off. We can see that next candlestick on the MACD is larger. So it is growing in strength. So potentially this move could keep playing to the upside. Although if we take a look back right here, we can see there is a large level of resistance right here. So we can plot this on the chart. There's a large level of resistance right there. So that could in fact play a key role in allowing us to go ahead and make a short. So let's go ahead and enter a short position for the purpose of this video. So we can see right there, we want a short with a 0.5% profit, like so, and we want to use the stop loss of 0.2. So we can see right here 0.2, like so, and we want to go and enter a short position. Of course, I wouldn't enter this short right now because we haven't seen a cross. The RSI is not overbought. However, for the purposes of this video, we do have a little bit of resistance right here, and the trade could play out. I just want to open it for the purpose of today's video. So you can see right here, we want this leverage right there. 25x is a large amount of leverage. I'm going to change this to 5x for this video, so we can see right here short position 5x. I want to make sure this is isolated. Of course, once I'm talking about this, I could miss the trade. Order by cost. I personally like to have order by cost right there, so you can see what money you are actually putting into the trade. So let's put $100 right there, and we can see like so. So the $100 right there, the value of the trade is going to be nearly $500, like so. In fact, let's put $1,000. Why not? Let's be a little bit risky in today's video, I guess. We can then go ahead and open a short. We then want to go ahead and enter this short position like so, and we can see right there we are currently in this trade right now. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to put a stop loss just because I want to enter and exit the trade. Right now, I'm trying to do this whilst I'm filming, that's why. And we can see right now already we're in a $7.58 profit, like so. I just entered the trade a few seconds ago. Of course, this could reverse. However, looking at this previous level of resistance right there, it looks like it will come down. We are slowly seeing a MACD cross right here. We can see the MACD tailing off in volume right there, and the RSI is slowly coming down. It looks like it could also have a level of resistance right there. So if we were to get a push down to the downside, we could make $20, $30, $40, $50 right there if we were in fact going ahead and doing this. Now, the way you profit with scalp trading is many trades during the day and entering and exiting at the desired point. So we can see right here, we have on here our take profit right there. We have our stop loss. I'm just going to enter and exit it manually for the purpose of this video because I want to show you how you can enter and exit the trades. We can see right here, we are in around $12 of profit. This trade below, it's a longer term trade for Bitcoin, which I'm in. There's many videos on the channel if you did want to see something like that. So right now we have around $15 in profit. I'm just going to simply go ahead and close this trade right now for the purpose of today's video. And yeah, guys, as always, if you did like this strategy, if you did like this method, again, just to rehash and go over it, it's a bit of a long video, but I really wanted to do kind of like a live demonstration for you so you were understanding exactly what is going on. We can see right here, again, we have the RSI in an overbought position right like there. We have a cross on the MACD. We are above the 200 smooth moving average. We would want to enter a short position. So like so, we have that. We enter the short position, 0.5% profit, bam, we have hit our profit target. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. Again, I hope it helped you with this live kind of trade demonstration. I really hope it helped you. We can see down below, guys, if you did want to go ahead and join Bybit, help out the channel, you can get up to $30,000 deposit and trade bonus if you go ahead and join using my link right there. Name, email, complete the KYC, very, very simple, and you are up and on your way to trading, guys. Thanks for watching today's video, guys, and I'll catch you, before we do, it's actually going to hit my take profit right there. I'll catch you in the next one.